Physics. Today my topic is beginning of life on Earth. Earth is the only place in the universe so far where we know life began and persisted for billions of years. In the early universe, vast molecular clouds of dust and gas condensed to form a protostar surrounded by a protoplanetary disk. The earliest known life forms on Earth are protective fossilized microorganisms found in hydrothermal vent precipitates that may have lived as early as 4.28 billion years ago. Relatively soon after the ocean formed 4.41 billion years ago, and not long after the formation of the Earth 4.54 billion years ago. The origin of life is the natural process by which life has arisen from non-living matter, such as simple organic compounds. Scientific hypothesis is that the transition from non-living to living entities was not a single event, but an evolutionary process of increasing complexity that involves molecular self-replication, self-assembly, autocatalysis, and the cell membranes. Life functions through the specialized chemistry of carbon and water, and built layerly upon four key families of chemicals: lipids, carbohydrates, amino acids, and nucleic acid. Researchers generally think that current life descends from an RNA, but although others have self-produced RNA. Big Bang theory is the leading explanation about how the universe began. At its simplest, it says the universe as we know it started with a small singularity, then inflated over the next 13.8 billion years to the cosmos that we know today. For the first 380,000 years after the Big Bang theory. However, the intense heat from the universe creation made it essentially to let for light to shine. Atoms crash together with enough force to break up into a dense, opaque plasma of protons, neutrons, and electrons that scattered light like fog. A priest named George first suggested the Big Bang theory in the 1920s when he theorized that the universe began from a single primordial atom. Soon after the Big Bang, which occurred through 14 billion years ago, the only chemical elements present in the universe were hydrogen, helium, and lithium, the three lightest atoms in the periodic table. These elements came together to form stars. The early stars were massive and short-lived, producing heavy elements through stellar nuclear synthesis. As these stars reached the end of their life cycles, they ejected these heavy elements, among them carbon and oxygen, throughout the universe. These heavy elements allowed for the formation of two objects, including rocky planets and other bodies. The earliest evidence of life comes from biogenic carbon signatures and stromatolite fossils discovered in 3.7 billion years old metasedimentary rocks from Greenland. Earliest climate life on Earth. The earliest climate life forms are fossilized microorganisms, microfossils. They are found in iron silica rich rocks, which were once hydrothermal vents. These rocks are as old as 4.28 billion years. A scientific study from 2002 showed that the geological formation of stromatolites, 3.45 billion years old, contains fossilized cyanobacteria. At the time, it was widely agreed that stromatolites were the oldest known life forms on Earth, which had left a record of its existence. Therefore, if life originates on Earth, this happened sometimes between 4.4 billion years ago, when the water vapor first liquefied, and 3.5 billion years ago. A few scientists think life might have been carried from planet to planet by the transport of spores. This idea, known as panspermia, was first put forward by Arrhenius, spontaneous generation. Until the early 19th century, many people believed in the regular spontaneous generation of life from non-living matter. This was called spontaneous generation and was disproved by Louis Pasteur. He showed that without spores, no bacteria or viruses grew on sterile material. Darwin theory. Uh, The theory of evolution by natural selection was first formulated in Darwin's book On the Origin of Species in 1859. The theory describes how organisms changed over time as a result of change in uh, habitual, physical, and behavioral traits. Change that allow an organism to better adapt to its environment can help it survive and have more offsprings. The theory of evolution has two main points. All life on Earth is connected and related to each other. And second, and this diversity of life came about because of modification in population that were driven from natural selection. Earth atmosphere. Originally, the Earth's atmosphere had almost no free oxygen. It gradually changed to what it is today over a very process began with the process began with cyanobacteria. They were the first organism to make free oxygen by photosynthesis. Most organisms today need oxygen for their metabolism. Only a few can use other source of for respiration. So it is expected that the first proto-organism were uh, chemoautotrophs and did not use aerobic respiration. They were anaerobic. RNA word hypothesis. In this hypothesis, RNA is said to work both as an enzyme and as a containers of genes. Later, DNA took over its genetic role. The RNA word hypothesis proposed that life based on ribonucleic acid RNA predates the current word of life based on deoxyribonucleic acid DNA, RNA, and protein. RNA is able both to store genetic information like DNA to catalyze chemical reactions like an enzyme. It may have supported pre-cellular life and been a major step towards cellular life. There are some species of evidence which support this idea. There are some RNAs which work as enzymes. Some viruses use RNA for hereditary. Many of the most fundamental parts of the cell, those that involve the solvents, require RNA, metabolic and protein. This idea suggests that protein worked as enzymes, first producing metabolism. After that, DNA and RNA begin to work as containers of gene. Protein as enzyme is essentially for today's lives. Some amino acids are formed from more basic chemicals in the Miller experiment. Some deny this idea because protein copy themselves. In this scheme, membranes made of lipid bilayer occur early on. Once organic chemical are enclosed, more complex biochemistry in the possible. Islamic view on evolution. Islamic view on evolution are diverse, ranging from theist evolution of old earth creationism. Some Muslims around the world believe humans and other living things have evolved over time, yet some other believe they have always existed in present form. Muslim thinkers have proposed and accepted elements of the theory of evolution, some holding the belief of the supremacy of God in the process. Uh, in the Surah Al-Anbiya, the Quran states that the heavens and the earth were of one piece before being parted. God then created the landscape of earth, placed the sky above it is a roof, and created the day and night cycles by appointing an orbit for both the sun and moon. Some modern Muslims include Abdul Hatim of the Yaqin Institute for Islamic Research interrupt the Quran story of the creation of world in the context of science and believe that the scientific theory of expanding universe is described in Surah in Surah Quran Surah. We have built the heavens with might, and we it is who make the vast extent. Thank you. Sir, बस हो गया.
हाँ जी हो गया जी, ठीक है जी, थैंक यू. Who is next?